In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix, step by step. We'll cover both updating an existing site and starting a new one from scratch. Whether you're refining your current project or building something entirely new, this guide will help you make the most of Wix's capabilities. So grab a cup of coffee and let's jump right in. First, head on over to the official Wix website. Once you're there, log into your account to access your dashboard. If you're planning to update an existing site, locate the site you want to work on. You'll notice an option labeled Edit Design next to your website's name. Go ahead and click that. This will bring you into the Wix editor interface. Here, you can begin the exciting process of customization. Editing on Wix is all about creativity and adapting your site to better meet your goals. To truly make your site shine, consider the feedback from your users, as well as current design trends. Navigate through the individual pages and other site elements to refine details, whether it's adjusting colors, altering layouts, or updating text to keep the content fresh and relevant. Places like the header, footer, and main content areas are perfect spots for these updates. Keep in mind, the more time and effort you put into customization, the more your site can stand out. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, take advantage of Wix's preview function. This tool allows you to see how your site will look and function on various devices. It's a crucial step to ensure everything appears as expected before going live. When you're happy with the preview, go ahead and click Publish to update your site for all your visitors to see. Now, if you're starting from scratch instead, return to your dashboard for a fresh start. Look for the ellipsis, those three little dots, right beside the Edit Design page option. This will give you a drop-down menu where you'll find the Create New Site button. Click on that, and you're on your way to building a brand new site. Wix offers two main paths for creating a new site. You can do it manually or utilize artificial intelligence to fast-track both content and template selection. Creating your site manually gives you full control over every aspect, letting you tailor each part specifically to your vision. However, if you're looking for a quick start or need a bit of inspiration, let Wix's AI do the heavy lifting. It will guide you through a series of questions to understand your needs and preferences, and then propose a personalized site that's ready for you to tweak to perfection. That wraps up today's step-by-step guide to using Wix. Whether updating an existing site or crafting a new one, you now have a clear set of actions to follow. With practice and creativity, you'll master Wix and create a website that truly reflects your vision. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.